Alright, so let's move on with Carmel. Oh, she's so pretty, like the Morena little girl. Actually, biased siya nung karamihan, no? Kasi because of her nice voice, talented girl, ewan ko, parang lahat na nasa kanya. Prettiness and attitude. Mabait din siya. Sana lang next time medyo maging maingat lang si Carmel sa mga gestures niya, mga ginagawa niya sa loob ng bahay. Which I think nagagawa niya naman. She's not perfect, guys. Nakita ko naman na this girl is very matured enough to take accountability, to be professional enough. Though she's just 18 lang din, guys, no? Nakaka-amaze kasi 18 lang din siya. Yet, para siyang si Atik lang. She's very mature. I think siya yung magdadala this season. Ng season na to. Madadala niya to. And yeah, looking forward for Carmel. Fight, fight, Carmel. So cute. We have the cutie Miguel. Ayan, si Miguel naman. Gusto ko yung aura ni Miguel. Especially, una pa lang. Gusto ko yung humor niya. Gusto ko yung pagiging totoo niya sa sarili niya. I feel like walang tinatago si Miguel eh. Mahiyain siya, yes. Introvert. Pero, he is not afraid to share what's in his heart. Eliza. Next na tayo. Char. Diba? Nakakatuwa yung story nila. Anyway, nakita ko ang galing-galing na actor ni Miguel, no? Nagka-work na rin sila ni Crystal, and ang gagaling ng mga batang to, as in parang the next John Lloyd and ano na to, mga to, Julia Montes, di ba? Parang ooh. And yes, kamukha niya si Emilio. Yes, very Emilio, and looking forward kasi I think ang daming tong ibubugang batang to. Soft but fighting. Okay, we have Eliza. Eliza naman, ay ang ganda niya. Parang ewan ko kung ako lang pero nakikita ko kasi sa kanya si Liza Soberano. Diba? With her kilay and everything. Wala akong masabi. Gusto ko yung aura niya, and then how simple she is. And wala akong masabi kasi parang babaeng babae to eh. Babaeng babae and fighting. Yun lang masabi ko. Sana mas may pakita niya pa kung ano yung kung sino talaga si Eliza sa loob at labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Looking forward with Miguel and Eliza. They're so cute, guys. Very, very cute. Okay, so we have Inigo. I thought siya yung pinakamatanda, guys, pero meron pa palang isa na 20 years old. That's Rake. Pero before we proceed to Rake, let's move to Inigo. Oh my God, Inigo is so Prince Charming ang datingan niya, guys, with his eyes, how he stand, very tall, and of course the body physique, so yummy. Diba, super na, as in parang lahat ata ng magugustuhan siya. Personality din, super check na check, and matalinong lalaki, guys. Wala akong masabi, as in mukha siyang, alam mo yung sa mga Disney prince, gusto ko one day magganon siya. Yung naka-prinsipe, mukhang bagay na bagay kasi sa kanya. Ang ganda ng mata niya and everything. You know what I'm saying? That's so pogi. May girlfriend na ba siya? Huy! Anyway, yun, looking forward for Inigo. I think he's one of the strongest housemates so far na nakikitaan ko dito. Sana magtuloy-tuloy, no? And let's go with Rake. Rake she's one of the prettiest. Aminin na natin. And, si Rake, slowly but surely din to eh. Medyo mahihain pa siya and naninibago. Pero gusto ko yung transparency ni Rake.